Guys, today what you want for this video is to learn how to use shape oil for this video. So what you want to now sharp is say man clear this to where they what you want to go look like that, but no be too want to now be that. What you want you don't see the picture before you click the video. So what you want to now in be that now for this video. Now first one want to now go learn well for this video. Now we'll tell you use shape for this video. Understand? I will tell you use shape well for piece lab. Now I want to learn. And what you want create now a logo for laundry people. People where they wash clothes. And people they wash clothes, so the company now them get this kind logo. Also, if you make this logo, people wear they sell clothes. And now how the logo won't go, we'll go like that. So more delete this test where DFS, more delete them. Now come this my test place, man delete the test. Now the next one I want to do now for you sharp is say my import icon one I want use. Icon just be like image, my import them. You get one icon one I want use. So I'll go over to this place, I'll click import, import the icon. I don't already make the icon down. If you want to know how to create this particular icon, you feel go learn them. But my icon folder, I'll show you the icon. Now if you want to use this image where me use so you feel still use them. It no matter, I go drop link, make it click and make it download them. Now what I want to do now is say man go back my icon. This full folder, so all my icon right there inside. I go drop link to download them for now. So ma make a big mode see the icon now where I want to use quickly for the video. So you see so this icon already over here. So you see so this bow tie. More click on. If you want to create the bow tie from scratch, you feel click the link where you see up of the video. May go watch them. But you know still matter sha. If you just use icon now the icon be this now what I want to use for here. Now where the shape on content come in, so you see the icon now, this kind of logo now, more fair reduce the size for this particular picture now because this size where they are so big. Might reduce the size, might carry the eye to go I kind 30. But more for 37 first. So the width is 37, the height is 37. More players good. More make sure say this center, one put that for center. Okay, it does do okay. And next what we want to do is say more will change our size of this our canvas. This canvas means this back place. So now we'll click this three dot where they over here. More go image size where they put image size for here. So we'll click where they put image size. We'll can go this place where they put presets. We'll click custom. We'll click that where they put presets. So we'll see where they put YouTube thumbnail. We'll just click on because now I go big pass. So we'll see what they do. So you see, so I don't click YouTube thumbnail. You choose them. You can press OK. You see, it do long. Now what we want to do now, we'll go over to our shape side. So see shapes for here. You see, I don't come up for test. I know the test side, the shape side. So I'll go my shape side. I'll go click shape. Now what I want to do with this shape now, quick, we'll go soon learn them for here. So right now, I want to rearrange my shape. I want to make the shape this small. Make up be like say now one and right. You see, so more reduce this shape way. Okay. More if you still reduce this one, more reduce the height of the shape, more still reduce the shape small. You observe them. You observe them. And 2 1 do not be this, more reduce the shape small, may not too big. So if is good. So you see the shape. You see I say this one now this somehow a big go, but if we try and if it could work. Now what me wants to do be say we want to choke this shape now from inside this bow tie. Watch me, more follow me small. So I'm gonna go position, more position this shape right now, more push and go up. Okay, more push and go side. You see so you see where it is so okay. More make sure say the shape reach the ending. More click position, more reduce the speed, more push and go ending. More push and once again. More make sure say the ending the side. You see so more lift down for there first. More can click the same shape again. You understand so? More we hit copy. You see, and the give us another for here. More position that one too. More push on. We'll push on. No, the move slow, man, move and fast. We'll push and come down again. So now we need to make move slow. More move slow. Now more position this one too. The same more position. So position for the ending. You don't observe what I want create. So I want create emu for Mr. Mex logo. Because the name of the company what we want give this logo. Nine be that. So now we'll make sure say these two lines they the same side. We'll click this our grid tool. You see where it is, so they up here. Choose where they up here now. Now we won't click. Now we won't use from so. We'll click this our grid tool where they up here. So now more position and where. We'll click these settings. If you click the grid, you click the settings. I'll show you again. We'll click this grid. The complete place where they put this grid settings. So now we'll position. We'll find where use this thing. Why would the case and be say we know where they did the same line. Because one make sure say our design, it did the same line, may no scatter. So we'll put them for here and I'm going to take gauge them. Now see the line where we use, the line where we don't want, if we tap the line where we don't want, we'll delete them. So you tap the line where you don't want, if you just delete any line where you don't want, you press this place where they put for here, so you delete the line where you don't want. So line where you want, you carry them. Now this line and I'm you want use. And for up here, so most people line for here, more make sure say they equal. One try make sure say e no pass this side. Now wetin we wan do now, make we off am. So we don off am, but see our line for here. Our line be this now. So make we come over here. Make we make sure say this one dey the line. Make we put am. Cause this one already dey the line, but this one never dey the line. Make we put am for the line. Make we press position over here. Make we reduce the speed. Make we can go down small. So you see am so. We don't make sure say they did the same line. This one dey very important. Now we'll push and go back also. We'll make sure say this one too, it don't dey near it to the end. You see so it don't dey okay. See and say it don't make sense. Small. Now what we want to do? Now this our white line is show. We don't want to make it show. So we hide our white line. I want to hide and so observe this place where they put here. This our layer tool. That is our way for the video. Now more click the layer tool where they over here. So now if we don't click the layer tool like this, so one click. This is our mesh side. Now, I'm show now the step again, maybe you don't follow. We'll click this side first. Then you come over here now, you click this side now. They put this icon over here. We won't click on. You give us option, we'll choose which thing we want to move. Now you go, this black one, this tile right there. So you see, it dey back. You see so this white line there on top arm. So we'll move this one. We'll move all this line. Come down. We'll move this one. This one to move back on. You see, when we don't move them, go back. You see how they come there. They don't call the show again. You understand? So now waiting we want to now be that. We'll make sure say we move both of them, go back. So don't move both of them, go back. Now what we want to do be say, we'll make sure say both shape they dey black. We'll go color. We'll put both shape for black. I don't even know where my black they run they go. We'll put the second one for black. Okay, both shade will do black. You understand now? Now, what you want to do now for this place is very simple. We save this thing as project. Why? Why be say we will not forget in case we make any mistake, we'll come back to one. So save them as project first before you continue from this stage. So we'll put now, we'll put M2. I'll click OK. Now just save them as project. Now before after just save our project, remember this settle, we'll come and merge them. We'll click here again. What if I click before? We'll click here, we'll come click all of them will merge together. One merge and together because we'll make all of them copy one. Come click this merge to over here. We'll click OK. Now we don't click OK over here. Now we don't see our this thing don't merge now. We don't merge and finish now. Coffee put them for center. We'll go relative position now for this side. We'll click and we'll make sure see this center. See now we don't create professional logo from shape and just image. Now they create this logo. And as I tell you so, whenever I say finish and shape, we can put the name of the company. This one I will put this main logo or do not be the main logo. But we can put name of the person now for down. You understand? We can put the name of the person. So I can go test now. We'll go over to this test. I click edit. I can tap the edit now. I can put the test what we want put now. So I can put Mr. So you see so. You can put any text what you want. Now you can go change the handwriting of the text. We'll go over to handwriting side. We'll go see handwriting where people have give us the handwriting menu where. Now if we choose any handwriting we're fine. So we get this handwriting. If we see choose handwriting if we don't want that one. Okay, you see this one still makes sense. So you see so if we choose this one, now we'll position this one where. We'll move on fast. We'll move on this side. I move on down. So you see so something like this now I want to do. So you put that for there, Mr. Zale. Any hour you want put that, you put that like that for there. Now, but for this case now, I want to make my own still big, small. So I increase the size. I go test size. Now one position for center. So you see so it don't do okay. But we'll make sure say the MU and the Mr. Zale they the same line, they don't pass the same line. We'll go over to this place again. We'll use this one. Now we'll tap this line where they go like this. We'll make sure say they did the same line. We'll make sure say it did the same line. Say the line where they did not today different. Okay, now we don't do that one finish now. We'll be just the size small because that's they don't take too much the same line. We'll put am for center again. So you see am so we don dey okay now like that. So we'll off this now. So don't put our metazale down now for here. Simple and quick. So you see am so now what we want do now, we want to put our name. If we want to put our name now, if we put our name now for this stage, but before we do that our name, we'll give our logo what do color. Understand? We'll give our color quick. So we don't finish this design like this. So we'll click on, we'll give our color if we want. We'll go over to texture. Then you click this texture place where they over here. So you can choose any texture what you want. Now me want go where they keep my texture. I go choose texture now. Come. So for instance, my memory card, I get some texture, but I don't know which one makes sense. So we'll just find one which say it will make sense for inside the video. Okay, so we get many texture for here where we choose from. The texture many. So if we choose from any of this texture, anyone we want choose from at all, that one na our choice. So we'll try this one right there. So we'll try the gold one. We'll check if it could work. You already know by now what texture mean because if you already follow my video, you know what texture mean. That call and say, just be like say texture mean image, or if you choose for that image or text, you understand? So now be this so we'll click on. So now so you can't look, but now we'll enable and we'll maintain my ratio. Make sure we look how it dey. You see so see our texture can be. If you don't want to use this texture, if you choose any texture where you like, make sure say it can make sense for them. You see so now so you can't look, but you see you get the message say okay, this emo see what it look or see what the emo mean. Understand? Now for the Zale, we'll go give an texture also. We'll go texture side. We'll do the same thing where we do. We'll go over my texture. They will choose texture for the Zale also. So we'll give an this silver one right there. So we'll put the silver one. We'll check how the silver one go take go. Okay. So we see and we'll make sure we maintain ratio. So the silver one 9 be this. Now so take go from inside. So if you use this one, we'll change the texture. Now the next one I want to do now the background. Now we'll head over to our background side. To edit background, say we'll go over to our background to where they down here. So we get option to use color. If you want to choose any color, if you use color now. So if you choose any color where you want for this side, Shebi. If you just choose any color sharp for here and you use them, or if you go choose gradient, where be me say a mixture of many color. But what me like to use where be say I like to use image. Where they my picture where this on my phone or our film make and transparent. This one I did compulsory because all clients go ask for their transparent one. Transparent means say you no go get background shebi. Now more move on man choose from gallery, man choose one image I think say go mature for this video. Man will choose them. So now I did inside my pictures. We'll choose from many different images where they inside. So I still get this background. This background don't tear for myself. That is over many million times, but not tear for me. But I like the background. It is very native. So if we choose this background, so it will come appear for one. So from here now, we can get anything what we do. Nothing we know what we do for you. If we style our design as much as what we want style and to. We dey very free to do any styling where we want. Now we don't do this Mr. Zale. And the next one I want to do now for here, it is very sweet and very simple. Now, we make sure say this our design where they golden. If we not say the design they too golden, we don't want that for this kind of color. We still change and to another color. Don't forget at any time if you still change them. So if you tap them over here, you will still go texture and come here. You will tap this particular icon, maybe image, and if you still go over to anywhere where you want to put them, and if you change your particular texture at any time where you want. So we just change our texture. That's the one nice design I use. No mind, no jealous, my own texture I use. I'll put all the images of the color I use for the description. If you download that anytime where you want, and the most important thing what one can do for you be that. So if you change your texture anyhow, hope so you don't get the point. Now what you want to do again now for you quick be say make we merge our design. If you say this Mr. Izali will write 2 day dark, you figure option to take put stroke. Now if you put stroke for around the body, it go come dey more brighter. Now if I on stroke, you see say you come dey more thick. And depend on what thing you want of her. You understand? now you can know which thing you want from the Mr. Zale. But me, I just want to make it blur for background like that. Now the last one I want to do now before we emboss everything, we need to add our watermark. But me no want to emboss my watermark, so I want to merge them first. We'll click here, we'll merge two of them together now, sharp. So I'll press OK. Now I don't merge them, Mr. Zale, together. Now we'll come over to our image side. I'm gonna go over to our 3D shape, more on them. Now we'll reduce the depth over here because we'll make an 3D. Now we take the client, our main clients, the one they want to be 3D these days. We'll check when the 3D makes sense. Now what we want to do again now be say for this place where they put 3D, we also darken them. We'll make sure we increase the darken. Make sure say the thing did dark way. Coffee see change the light angle for one, but that not the most. That's why we'll come here. Now we'll go over to our emboss tool. We'll make sure we enable them. And for enable them, we'll make sure the intensity, the light, and the hardness they 100. Now we're going to need to reduce the bevel, go for. I did explain all these things before for my previous videos. So we'll position the light angle for where we want them. So you see, so may it come out well. Now we want to do again. I'm going to increase the size, sharp. We'll increase the weight, and day like this. Now we still get option also to rotate this one if we want. Now I'm gonna go over to our rotate right there. If you rotate and go anywhere, one rotate and go. But we still use 3D rotate also. 3D rotate and move, go our X side. So we still use and move and go X or Y side, depend on where we want to move our design go, and depend on how you want me to come outside. You understand? So now you get option to move around and play around with your particular design where you do. Now the last part I want to do now is we want to add our watermark where we edit them. Let's talk about previous video when they never pay. This part is very important because it will make sure you claim your design and no other person use your design. Now we'll go over to font. Might just change the font. Might use the same font what we used before. What I want to do again, I want to use the size again small. I'll use the size go 12. You don't do okay like that now. Man push on sharp, go down where for here. Okay, it don't do okay. I must still move and go come out small so you go show where for there. So now be this for this video. The last part I won't do anything, but video they go far. I won't just make the video not make past 15 minutes. But if you come over here, come play around with the background, if you edit the brightness and if you play around with the brightness, how you take one time. So but we go stop for here. But if you come over to this background tool over here, and there's explain for many parts of my video, and if you use all these parts where they here, take play, take increase or decrease anything where you want, where you say too much for the video. So and the video be that, I'll soon for the next video. And don't forget say if you save them, make sure say it dey ultra quality. So after you don't save them for ultra quality, you go make sure say the work where they do come out well after you don't print them. So for this part now, make sure and remember say it must be ultra quality. And the video be that I don't come out.